Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, and today guys I want to do some bag charms. So it's Christmas time guys. Look at these. I actually did these last year, of course Grinchy ones because I love the Grinch. I've done other ones too, but these are the seasonal ones I'm showing you. I did these on my other channel. I'll link the video down below so you guys can go check it out as well. But guys, today I want to do some like Christmas light ones. Look at these. So I got these from Hobby Lobby. Look how cute they are. They're like Christmas lights. And then I have these that I had gotten from Etsy, I think, before I found these. So they're almost the same. I would say just these are a little bit bigger. But yeah, guys, let's begin. Remember, video will be linked. Aren't they so cute? I love these guys. Oh my god. These are made out of ornaments and charms, guys. So yeah, go watch that video. Go watch that video. So I have my little Christmas lights. I have some jumping rings. I got these little, what do they call them? Lobster claws from Amazon. I'll link the materials in the description, guys, okay? I got my pliers and some, it's called curved chain. Gold. Okay? So let's start off with my chain. I got this from Michael's, I believe. I'm going to take some out. I don't really want to cut this, but I think I'm going to have to. So I want this chain to be maybe as big as this one, guys. So if you don't want to buy like a whole chain, you already want it set like this one. I bought this from Amazon. So they come like this. I'm still debating if I want to do another one, like a Christmas light on this chain. Look at this. This is how it comes. Or you can do it from scratch like I'm about to do here. The only reason I'm doing this one like this is because I want it a little bit longer. So I want it like about this length, but maybe just a little bit longer. Because they're Christmas lights, you know, they have to be pretty big. Let me look at the beginning. And I didn't want like a super thick chain either, you know. So that's why I kind of did it like this. Let me measure it. I just want it a little bit longer. So let's say like to here. I think that's a good length, right? Because I don't want it to be like super hanging off the bags either, you know? Let's just cut it there and just give it one little extra little loop. So I could like twist the ring and, you know, do all that, but I don't really care, so I'm just gonna cut it. There you go. Cut it. One of those can go in the trash, and I got my length. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put these first. So these are the lobster claws. So I'm gonna get the gold ones. And I'm gonna attach them to the end with a jumping ring. Keep in mind, this will probably be easier for you because if you don't have acrylics like me, you know, I'm gonna put the lobster claw in there. And on this end. On the last one. And close it up. And there's that. Look at that. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. By the way, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I was a little bit under the weather, but I'm back. I feel better now. And I hope you guys are ready for the holidays. I still have to do some Christmas shopping. So, yeah. Here's the other side. I got both ends now. And now it's time to add the lights, guys. This is super easy and super quick, okay? You can even do this for like maybe crafty night for Christmas, you know, whatever. Do some of them for a gift. Stocking stuffers. So this has string. I'm not gonna use that. I want the Christmas lights. I'm debating. I don't think I'm gonna use these. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like one random one in there. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. So separate the colors real quick. And I'm not doing a voiceover today because I'm gonna try something new. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is voiceover better, or, you know, let me know. I don't know. Or just like this. I'm gonna put some more jumping rings because I have to connect it to the chain. So first one, obviously, let's see. I like to fold it in half so I can see kind of like measuring wise, you know what I mean? So they can all be evenly spread out. So I'm gonna have like red. I mean, Christmas, it can be all the colors, right? I don't know if I like the purple one though. I mean, I guess. Sorry guys, I was like messing with it because I was like, I don't know how I want to do this. I forgot orange. Damn it. How did I forget orange? What the hell? Are these stuck together? Okay. Orange. Like that. I don't like the purple. I don't know. There. That is giving me better Christmas vibes. Right? Okay. So now that I decided how I want my Christmas lights to go, I'm going to put it in half. And then right on the middle one, whichever one's in the middle, that is where I'm going to put my first one. So again, I'm going to open my jumping ring. I'm going to put my Christmas light in there. Why does this look like it's about to fall off? It's holding on for dear life. Let me get another one. Guys, these were like fairly cheap, okay? They were $1.50. Because you know all the Christmas stuff is always like 50% off. Okay, and then now I'm gonna put it on the middle one. So let's say it's this one. Ah! I'm telling you guys, it's the nails. It's the nails. You are not gonna have this problem if you don't have nails, or at least if you don't have long nails like me. I'm gonna put it in there like that, and then I'm gonna close it up, and then I got my first Christmas light. How cute! Oh my gosh, guys, how cute is that? If you want to put more jumping rings to make them a little longer, like I did in here, you saw how you can see how I put like 3 in there to make it a little longer. You can do that as well, or just leave it like that. It is up to you. So now I'm going to put these in there and separate them equally. You can either count the jumping rings, divide them, do some math, guys, get very technical, eyeball it, whatever it is you want, you know. So I counted 46 jumping rings, guys. Divide that. 46 divided by 9, because this is the 5th one. So every 9. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna put it in this one. This is gonna be my first one. Open up the jumping ring. Put in my Christmas light. and then put it in the chain and close it up. There you go. Very, very simple. So guys, this is halfway done. What I ended up doing was I did count them all, divide them, and then I did 9. Every 9 jumping rings I added 1. So it looks nice and even, right? Now I'm gonna do this side. So guys, I am all done. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this little charm. Christmas lights, how adorable. I love it, guys. I've been wanting to do this for like the longest, I think since last year, guys. I'm not gonna lie. How cute, right? I kind of want to do even a longer one, which I do have lights for, and just like wrap it around my bag, guys. I don't know, guys, let's go try it on a bag, right? I'll clean this mess up later, guys. So here are my results. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think? I added it to my Speedy to show it off, because what's a better bag to show off a charm than a Speedy, right? So guys, look at it. This is how I wanted to wear it. This is how I had it in mind, and the length was perfect. Look, the drop is perfect, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. Exactly what I had in mind. That's exactly how it came out, guys. It is so cute. I am definitely going to be making a smaller one for my smaller bags. I'll do a video of that, maybe like a short or something, to show you guys how it came out. But guys, I'm loving it, with more charms, all my Grinchy charms. If you know, you know. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? It is so cute, so easy to do, guys, super quick. I mean, it only took me a little bit longer because I'm showing you guys. But guys, if you're doing this by yourself, easy peasy, guys. 5-minute project. I love it, guys. Look at that. Add some festive holiday cheer to your bags, guys, because you guys know charms are the it thing right now, guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Leave me a lovely comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know exactly how to do your little Christmas light bag charm, guys. How cute is this? I'm just obsessed, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I do really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, guys. I am starting off my crafting channel again, so I hope you guys are here for it. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.